As someone from Coron, I truly appreciate the presence of the Tagbanwa people in our community. They are among the indigenous groups who have a deep connection to our land and its beauty, nature. Living in different parts of Coron, the Tagbanwa lead simple lives through fishing, farming, and traditional crafts. Their communities reflect a peaceful way of life that honor both nature and heritage. They also help protect sacred places like Kayangan Lake and nearby islands. Through their efforts, they play a big part, not just a conversation, but also in supporting local tourism. Even as tourism grows, the Tagbanwa continue to keep their culture and tradition alive. As locals, it's important that we respect her rights and support their role in our sacred home or shared home. Thank you po.